We are STEM 11 St. Augustine Block A of Christ the King College. And if there's one thing this school year taught us, it's how to survive chaos with laughter. Between Nutrition Month, where we learn to eat healthy, Buwanang Wika, where we embrace culture and memorize deep Filipino words we never heard of before, Pakikimama 2025, where unity was real, but so was the confusion, intramurals, where we discovered we were not destined for the Olympics. But at least we tried. United Nations, traveling the world without leaving the classroom, the legendary filming of our movie Temple Deep, where dignity was lost, bloopers were born, takes were repeated, and memories were made. And the Christmas party, the universal celebration of food, games, and more. We laughed, we panicked, we procrastinated, we stressed together, and somehow we still passed. STEM wasn't just about equations, labs, and research. It was about finding people who turned classmates into friends, and friends into family. And even though we suffered academically, in a loving way, we also grew stronger, braver, and closer. So here's the Block A, for proving that the best memories are not just from achievements, but from the chaos, jokes, teamwork, late-night messages, and moments we'll never forget. This was our STEM diary. Messy, funny, emotional, and absolutely unforgettable.
How's STEM life?
Isang araw, nagmamaniw sa ubay. Ang nakita, babaeng saksakan ng ganda. Sinundan ko ang conscience, nasa kanya. Hindi ko nakita may dumarating pala. Hindi ko naiwasan, kami bigla nagkabanggaan. Malay ay nasa ospital na ako. Nasikaso ng doktor na pili ng nanay ko. Biglang-bigla na lang ang nurse nandyan na. At para kung nakitang anghel sa ganda. Kahit nagdideliro, ibang nasabi ko sa kanya.
Ano yung message niyo mo sa mga STEM students this year?
Uy!
Pang STEM month!
Ale, nasa langit na ba ako? Nasa langit na ba ako? Ama, kayo ba si San Pedro? Okay lang sa akin kung ako'y demo na. Basta't ikaw ang lagi kong kasama. Kaya ale, nasa langit na ba ako? Paglabas ko, niyaya ko na siyang pakasal. Kanya at nasabi may asawa na siya. Dinamdam ko masyadong sinabi niya. Hindi ko nakita hagdan, ubos na. Ako ay nahulog sa simento, ulo ko'y napunto. Tinanong ko muna siya kung may asawa na siya. Ang sabi niya walang puso, may biglang natuwa. At nasabi kong, Alin, nasa langit na ba ako? Alin, nasa langit na ba ako? Mama, kayo po ba si San Pedro? Okay lang sa akin kung ako'y dito na, basta't ikaw ang lagi kong kasama. Kaya Ale, nasa langit na ba? Oh, Ale, nasa langit na. Oh, Ale, nasa langit na nga ako.